morning, everybody. Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor, and if you didn't know, now you know. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel.
Forklift dies, Ford comes alive. Got the truck loaded up. Sending them out.
So I'm just building some barricades around here. That way people can't just get through in some of my open areas. So what we'll do is we'll put these in the areas that are open at night so nobody can drive through it. Just some quick barricades of some steel we have laying around, you know, works good.
Had a dope reel idea for it. Yeah, I got them Magnum reels on there. So I'm straight up here like on a pallet off the side of the highway. Hey, at least I'm strapped in. But we're cutting this sign down and getting my sign up and his sign. So that's it in a nutshell. All it is just a support to help switch the gears on the pump. They didn't want it to go into reverse, so we put a pipe there and a nut through it so it doesn't go all the way down reverse. It's in neutral right now, and then that way they can go first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Bam. Cut the bar off, put a welded plate around it. Cut the bars off, weld a plate around it. Cut that bar off, weld a plate around it. So I'm cleaning them all up now to slap the plate on there and weld it from both sides. This one I noticed that it's separated and cracked, so I'll have to pinch that down and make a weld there. And look, it's cracking out there, it's cracked out, it's on drugs, so we'll make sure we fill up the crack, get that crack addict squared away, get them in rehab and patch them up. That's kind of what it looks like beforehand, you know, it's just really rusted out. So what I'll do is I'll clean it up the best I can, fix any kind of cracks I see, weld it from the outside, jump inside, weld it from the inside. Stay busy. Got them on, got them done. You know I downhill weld. That was my first downhill weld on that. Not too great. That was my second flat downhill weld on it. Night. By the time I got to the third one, I had it down a little bit better. Okay, it's, for some reason, it looks uglier than it is. Ooh, yuck. Yeah, but it won't leak. I hope not.
No paid vacation unless I'm paying for the vacation. You know, I don't got like paid time off unless I'm paying for the time off. You know, pretty much show up when I need to show up, not when I can show up. Show up as much as I can show up, not when they want me to show up. It's just about putting in work and as much work as I can, not just the amount of hours they want me to put in. There's so much goes into being an owner of a business, you know, the stress of the, you know, the money coming in and the money going out. You know, it's something as an employee you don't have to worry about. So I'm not trying to like brag at all. Nothing to brag about. I ain't trying to flex. Ain't nothing to flex about. Ain't trying to, you know, say anything negatively right now. I'm just trying to be positive on a positive note and let you guys know, like, I feel you. I'm right there with you. I'll do all I can to, you know, make ends meet. But I'm a firm believer, like, we gotta work together. And even the people that done you wrong, you just gotta learn to forgive them. Don't forget, but forgive them. and move on, because you got to keep those relationships and those partnerships open, because even though they're not for you and they're against you and they're out there stabbing you in the back, it's okay. Don't be that person to stab them in the back as well. Be a better person than that, because they're going to be out there bashing your name and you're not going to have anything negative to say about them. So I always continue to never say anything negative about people, even when they burn me bad. Like, it's on them. You know, they know what they done. It ain't on me. I know what I've done. I know who I am. I know where I'm from. With all that being said, I hope you guys are having a great day. I work every day of the week, it seems like, at times. I thought I'd have weekends off, time with my family. Maybe it'll come. It ain't happening now, but maybe someday soon. But until then, I stay on my I stay on my grind, and I keep going, because that's all I can do. Oh, speeding, there's police. Oh shit, here they come. They're coming to get me. Alright, I better go. I gotta go, because they're coming to get me. Unless you want to stay on the phone while they get me. I'm sure you do. Alright, we'll let them chase me. Now, you know what? Let's just go. No, let's just go. Go for it. Punch it. We're just gonna outrun this guy. Yeah, he turned on his lights way too late behind. He's way too far behind. We got a turn off coming up here. We're gonna turn off. Oh, his lights. His lights are just fading in the distance. He can't touch me. Can't touch me. Oh, there's another one right here. Why you turn around? He coming to get me? Oh man, there's two of them. All right, I better go.
Building ballards is probably one of my biggest projects. I'd like to throw this plate on here though so they don't bow so hard, because look, they're already starting to bow just from cutting and drilling holes and then tacking them on there. They're kind of bowed up, so I throw on a reinforcement plate and then I'll cut it loose and then they should be good. When you forget your belt and you gotta zip tie it all day. Pencil dick.